So I have the Vespa P200 cranked, and I need to take this flywheel side bearing sleeve off of it. So what I've done, I've just jigged something up. I've mounted my Harbor Freight vise onto this Harbor Freight motorcycle lift, and I'm going to basically gently put this crank into the vise, so that, and I'm going to use just for it to be held in there. My goal is to take these two pry bars, put them behind there, and bring this, remove the sleeve. So we'll start by pulling up the sleeve. The goal is to concentrate the heat onto the sleeve and not necessarily into the shaft. So this should do it. Let's do it first. So we're gonna put this down, keep your face out. I'm gonna take these two puppies, and we're gonna see if we can. It's still not, so we need to heat up a little bit more. And there you have it. There's the sleeve.